The All India Bar Examination AIBE application process for 18th session has begun. The last date to submit the application form is September 30. In order to apply, candidates have to visit the official website, that is allindiabarexamination.com. Click on the registration link mentioned on the left corner of the screen. Here, candidates have to register first by clicking on Registration tab. Enter your mobile number and email ID to register. Once you have registered, you have to re-log in. An application form will appear on your window. Start filling your application form by entering your personal details such as name, mobile number, Aadhaar number, enrollment certificate number, state bar council they are enrolled with, academic and other details. Upload your photograph and signature and submit your application form. You will be redirected to the dashboard where you can find a link to make payment for AIBE 2024. Candidates can make the payment through credit card, debit card or UPI wallet. Once you make the payment, you can edit or download your application form for future reference. AIBE 2024 will be held on 29th of October.